Hey there everyone, today we're going to be going over some hip mobility exercises. These are great if you've been sitting at a desk job all day and got some tight hips. So starting off, we are going to be doing some hip flexor hovers. With this exercise, you'll lean back and support yourself on your hands. You'll curve one foot in where your ankle is underneath your up leg knee, where you'll then lift your leg up and alternate sides, pretending that there is a small cone in front of you and you want to lift up and to the side, gently hovering above the ground or even touching your heel to the ground, and then lifting the leg up and bring it to the other side. The next exercise we'll be performing is called a hamstring rocker. To start off, we'll have one knee down and one foot out in front. We'll have our hands overhead, and what we'll do is we'll dip or hinge our hips back and reach our hands to our toes, where you'll feel a little bit of tension in your hamstring. Then you'll rock forward and bring your hands up above your head. We'll perform this exercise for 5 to 8 repetitions per side. Ensure that you're breathing deeply throughout the entire exercise.